Hi my friends, this is a quick video on just how to use the tools on the Virtual Base 10 blocks. So let's say you want to build a number, you can use the tens and the ones. Okay, so let's see, I'm going to get out, I'm going to make, let's just say just to show you the tools, I'm going to use 26 and then I'm going to use I'll use 5 down here for 15, just so you guys can see the tools if you're using the virtual tool today. Okay, so let's say our number, so if we wanted to draw, there's a drawing tool down here that you could click on to write. So for my first number I have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So this number models 26, so you could use the pen. Okay, and then if you want to write this number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, you can change the color if you wanted to. So here's that. If you make a mistake, there's an eraser that you can use to click and erase, but 15 worked for me. Okay, so when you have to solve a problem today and you could draw the problem here and then model it using the blocks. Okay, and we're going to add our ones just like we did in my video before. There's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 cannot fit in the ones place, so I'm going to have to do some regrouping, so I'm going to erase that. Now when you want to go back to using your blocks, you have to hit the X button to get out of the drawing tool, else you're going to scribble scrabble all over your blocks. So the most important tool is when I want to virtually pick up 10 ones, I'm going to circle around 10 of them. So I have 6, I'm going to hold my mouse and get this plus. So I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I want to make sure I have 10. Alright, and I'll highlight. So once you have 10, over here on the side, that says rotate. We don't want to rotate anything. We don't want to duplicate anything. Oh, good. There's going to be a tool that says group 10 blocks. That looks like blocks and arrows, putting them together. You're going to click on that button, and that's how you're going to get a 10. Now, then you can click and drag your 10, and you can drag it over to the tens place. Okay? And then that will be able to show your work. Now, I also like to flip to show that I regrouped a 10 to the tens place. Okay, so now when I'm done writing, when I'm done showing it, I can go back to my writing tool. Okay, I kept 1 in the ones place, but then remember I took that 10 and I regrouped it, so I have to show that on my math work. So then I would count my tens, 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. 1 10 plus 2 tens is 3 tens, plus 1 more is 4 tens. So then I would have an answer of 41. And this math work here, you'd have to go back to your work on your page, and you'd have to type in your answers. Now, if you had to regroup, you're going to have to show that by typing in a 10, or that 1, right, because that stands for 110, in the tens block. But if you didn't have to do any regrouping, you don't have to use that box, and you should be able to type your answers in here.